Sixth problem, in the given figure, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. Show that EF is parallel to QR. So they have given one triangle PQR. So this triangle is divided into two, that is POQ and POR. So let us start in the solution. Let us write given. So what is given? In triangle POQ. So in POQ, it is said that ED, or you can say DE. So DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. And in triangle POR, in triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. Next, what we have to prove? We have to show that EF is this line. So EF is parallel to QR. So let us write required to prove RTP. So required to prove is EF is parallel to QR. Next, proof. In proof, let us write first, let us separate this triangle. Let us take triangle POQ. From this big triangle, let us take POQ. So here it is ED. So they have said that ED is parallel to OQ. That means by basic proportionality theorem, we know that any line parallel to one side of the triangle, then that line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Any line that is parallel to any one side of the triangle, then that line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So let us write in triangle POQ, we know that DE is parallel to OQ. Then next, we can say that this line is dividing PQ and PO in the same ratio. So that means we can write PE by EQ is equals to PD by DO. From where we have got this? From basic proportionality theorem. So let us say by basic proportionality theorem. Next, in triangle POR, let us take triangle POR from this figure. Let us draw it. POR. So here DF is the parallel line. So DF. So this line DF is parallel to OR. That means this line is dividing PO and PR in the same ratio. Let us write that here DF is parallel to OR. Now we can write PF by FR is equals to PD by DO. So this one is our first equation and this is second equation, and this also we have got by using basic proportionality theorem. Next, from 1 and 2 we can observe that the value of PE by EQ is PD by DO and the value of PF by FR is also PD by DO. That means this is having the same value and these are also having the same value. So that's why we can say that PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. Since therefore PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. Here we can say that PE by EQ and PF by FR both are equal. That means these ratios are equal. If the line is dividing the two sides in the same ratio, that means this line will be parallel to QR. So this is nothing but converse of basic proportionality theorem. from converse of basic proportionality theorem. So what was the theorem? If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then that line will be parallel to third side. Therefore, we can say that PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. That means EF is parallel to QR. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR. Hence proved.